Need of plants. Plants, just like people and animals, have certain needs to stay healthy and grow. Let's learn about the important things that plants need. Sunlight. Plants need sunlight to make their own food. Sunlight provides energy for a process called photosynthesis, which helps plants grow. That's why you often see plants reaching towards the sun. Water. Just like you need water to stay hydrated, plants need water to survive. Water is absorbed by the roots and transported to different parts of the plant. It helps plants stay cool and carry nutrients from the soil. Air. Plants need air to breathe, just like we do. They take in carbon dioxide from the air and release oxygen. This process is called respiration and helps plants stay alive and healthy. Nutrients. Plants need nutrients to grow strong and healthy. Nutrients are found in the soil and are absorbed by the roots. Some important nutrients for plants include nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Soil. Plants grow in soil, which provides support, water, and nutrients. Healthy soil contains tiny particles, air, water, and organic matter like decomposed leaves. It's important to take care of the soil so that plants can thrive. Space. Plants need enough space to grow. They spread their roots and branches to find the resources they need. Giving plants enough space allows them to grow big and strong. Remember, plants are living things, and just like us, they have needs. By providing plants with sunlight, water, air, nutrients, good soil, and space, we can help them grow and stay healthy. So, the next time you see a plant, think about what it needs to survive. You can water it regularly, place it in a sunny spot, and make sure it has enough room to grow. Taking care of plants is not only fun, but it also helps us appreciate the beauty of nature. Kulpachru. Like, comment and subscribe.